Alright, what's up, guys? Part 3. Whoop.
Oh god. I already screwed up.
Dude, it's all good. Just take a
Shut up. No, it's not. God, I feel so mean.
Oh, yeah. Do I get an afterlife? Fucking hell.
It's not like I pressed your settings.
Hey. What? My socks are huge on me, dude.
Dirty hell.
I know.
All over.
Duh. Dirty hips, perfect lips,
I knew you
sexy
were gonna say
smile, Ollie style.
Fuck! Stop swearing.
I'm sorry, bitch.
Train.
Train. Ah, there's something in me. Oh.
Okay, go slow and steady. And then you start going fast. Faster.
Slow and steady so it doesn't hurt. Faster, harder so it feels good. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, you would tell. Okay, I'm not gonna even say it. I can't believe you say whatever your name is. I keep forgetting. It's easy to remember. Train.
It rhymes with pewds. Muse.
Dumbass, you can't even get your own.
She did.
I'm kidding.
I'm still adjusting, okay?
Whoa. It's your first time,
I
kiddo?
love your brother.
And I love your brother.
Well then, that escalated quickly.
Well, you should have seen that one coming.
I should have, but I fucking didn't.
I love your sister.
I don't have a mansion. you talking
mean
about
trains?
me? Trains.
No.
Whoop.
You're a pervert, though.
I know. Why are we all of a sudden quiet? Talk, bastard.
Sexual. I'm just good at talking.
No, you're not. You love talking.
I get turned down when I talk.
Whoa! I thought you said turned on. I was like, well then.
Hey, Sadie. Oh!
Oh, whoa! Didn't know you liked me that much.
Mark can do his own words.
Whoa! Dude, Arissa though, like, oh my god.
He can do okay. Mark doesn't like brother. I can't stop laughing.
Arista was the one who invented it though. Oh, invented it. Right? Wasn't he? I could have sworn God it was. How many kills do you have? 4.
Oh shit!
I have 1 more than you.
Shut up.
Ooh, you only have 2 deaths?
No, I
Oh
don't.
no, you have 7.
Black bus. I'm kidding. God. The doors are stupid anyway.
Get in the fucking bag.
Okay.
I'm sorry guys, that was really racist. Like, I don't mean any of this with like any intentional hurting or butt hurt or anything.
I only like what the hell? Sleeping with sirens, man.
Sleeping with sirens with like fellow 26 years ago? Dude, I'm getting like really into following Universal, like in all honesty, like sleeping with sirens sucks dick. Okay.
I kinda like him. Like
It
his
sucks
voice.
dick.
You
Like-
can barely say anything in his voice.
I know, like,
Sing, it's like my voice hurts from singing those songs.
mine doesn't.
Mine does.
Cause I can clench up my throat.
I have a deep throat.
I have a deeper voice than you do.
There
So
you go.
we've been through this. You
Oh.
can ask anybody in the comments. Guys, comment who has a deeper voice. Muse or Trains. Okay? Alright. Cool running, bros.
I'm a girl.
Both. Since Pew's is a boy and he calls his fans bros,
You stole his shit.
I know, and I'm sorry.
The fist. Let's do something else. I'll eat your fist and you punch me.
Well, what am I gonna? But what am I gonna do when I'm at home alone? Am I gonna punch myself in the face? Be like, punch, fist punch. Whoop.
You do something. You
A
punch.
fist punch. Yeah. No. Like brofish. Like that just sounds amazing.
Don't steal it though. It's stealing.
I'm not trying to.
Stealing isn't good. You want to watch the show Beyond Straight?
Yeah.
Scared Straight.
Yeah.
Shit.
Sorry.
Wow, you died and then I died. I should have just let you die and then went on.
No, you loved it too much.
After you died. If we were on the Titanic, I'd push you off. Okay.
Bitch, if I'm going down, you're going down with me.
Okay. I like
Just
want to
like
feel that
flipping it.
water. I like really cold stuff. So if I felt that water, I'd probably be happy. Shit.
No, it's like, no,
I
I
don't
mean,
care. I don't want to feel my toes. I want to like jump in an icy river. Like,
dude, you should go on Lake
whatever the-
Superior then.
Huh?
Lake Superior, right by the
Have
lake.
you ever went to CYC camp?
Nope.
You should.
Wait, what's CYC?
It's like a camp where you do fun activity, so-called fun. You like can do this thing, it's called polar plunge, and early in the morning and you go in the water and take a dip. Hello.
Okay. Anyhow, what were you saying? And so, wait, does that also include, like horseback riding and shit is?
No, wait, I don't know.
Wait, was it
Is
Camp
that
St.
this-
Croix or something else?
No comment.
See how it is. I might call my fans hoes, but I'm thinking they'll get mad. I'm still trying to think of names that I can call them. Like little dots.
Dipping that.
Like, it's just easy to say bros, and it just goes, like, perfect. So, like,
Okay, what's bro name?
do you think people would get mad if I kept calling people bros,
Yeah.
but I didn't do bro fist?
I'd get mad if someone was stealing my shit.
Yeah. I don't know, but, like, it's just...
I'm not trying.
Well, then.
Remember that face?
What? Oh. Huh, what? But yeah. Swaggity, swaggity, faggity, swaggity. Swaggity, raggedy, swaggity, faggity.
So why do you think? Wait, how would that be awesome if you and Bailey, I meant if me and Bailey and you and Mark.
Because then, like, you guys could both come over to my house, and then you'd be with Bailey, and I'd be with Merc the whole time.
Doesn't how
Mercury.
can't he hate me though?
Because you're beautiful.
I'm ugly.
Guys, tell us in the comments if she's beautiful or not. I'll give you her Facebook. I'm on the fucking kill cam. Okay. Alright, guys, we might make a part 4. But yeah. So, what should we do this time? We need to do something else.
You forgot to turn it off, you dumbass.
No, I know.
What?
What should we do for our ending?
I can feel it. Okay. Ginger.
What should we do? I don't know.
Jess.
What should we do at the end?
Pussy pound. Jasper, come here.
I don't know, because I really like doing the bro fist, but that's Pew's thing.
Foot touch. Oh god, not that game.
Cheese touch!
No.
Hot talk! Oh, yeah, I'm gonna cheese touch out of here. Goodbye, guys.